Okay, so for our first step, we're going to go ahead and put the car in the air. And so the best way I like to do this is to lift with the jack a little farther back and then put the jack stand towards the front. We're going to go ahead and leave the jack there as well for extra safety. And next you're going to take off the radiator cap so that the system can vent properly as we drain it.
Now we're going to fill the cooling system, and this is very important so that you don't get any air pockets. And so what we're going to do is we undid this upper radiator hose here. We put the radiator hose back on there, and we're going to pour it in here first, just like this, and that's going to go directly into the radiator, because if you try to only fill this, it will not fill the whole system. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that, but eventually as we fill this, it will start to come out here, and at that point, when you have it full here and full there, you're just going to pop that back on and then tighten it down. Okay, so we're using this as our high point, so as we're pouring this in, you'll notice it filled the expansion tank for us, and it should be coming out here pretty soon. In fact, it looks like it's almost level there. Okay, so we put our cap on there to trap it. As we continue to fill this up, you can see now it's coming out here. So this is full, and that one's full. We're just going to hurry and push this back on. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and let it idle. We're going to turn it to max heat, which is this one. Okay, and that's going to allow the coolant to go through the heater core. Okay, so just start squeezing this, you'll feel the pressure go through as it works some air out. You can have the cap off for the first minute or so, but then you'll put the cap back on and pressurize it through the bubbles. Okay, so now we're running it, we're pinching on this, forcing any air bubbles out. We're going to let it run, let the water come do a lot of the work. And you can force the coolant down in it, and the pressure of that should push it through the system a little more. So you want it to get warm. Okay, go ahead and remove the jack stand, lower the car back down. Okay, we're getting closer to operating temperature here. Everything's looking really good. And so we're going to drive around the block a few times and keep checking that coolant level.